Another episode of Lecheng Pag-ibig to. And we are blessed because it's not just a black episode as you
Oh,
can
yeah.
see.
We're all wearing black.
Break muna tayo sa politika usapan. Balik tayo sa medyo mental health
Yan.
episode. And this might be very personal to me because I'm going to be sharing a lot of maybe what I'm going through that people don't know about, especially in our line of work. Na we smile a lot. We have to put on a face. We have to put on a certain level of energy when we are in front of people. And minsan it's hard to turn it off. Yung facade, yung character, yung pagiging newscaster, pagiging host, pagiging entertainer. Because you do it every day. You do it so often that you sometimes forget to turn it off.
Yeah.
Or it becomes hard to turn it off. Hard to turn your brain off. And this goes out, I think this episode will go out to everyone who is in that rut, not just for entertainers, but for everybody. Let's say you're so caught up on social media, you're so caught up on putting up a front, showing people you're okay when deep inside parang hindi ka na masyadong okay, but you have to be okay for the people around you. So hopefully this episode will shed some light on that. We want to welcome back, of course, Doc Maxine here on, who will be joining us to give us hopefully a bit of a medical standpoint on this topic, no?
Doc Max, welcome back.
Oo.
Hello. Hello. Hi,
Bitin
everyone.
sila dun sa guesting mo
Oo.
nung last time So, here we go.
Mas
Eto ulit
intimate
tayo.
to, no? Mas,
Oo.
Oo.
Mas all out to
All out
dahil
to.
kaya naming sabihin lahat dahil tayong tatlo
magpakuha
lang
tayo ng
nandito.
tissue kasi.
Ayan.
Baka may maiyak.
Si Sam.
It's gonna be very personal because off the air, I started telling you about something that I experienced recently. Na parang I'm having a hard time to slow down, to take a break, to tell my brain to rest, and it's getting a bit tiring. So, considering I work out, I do my thing, pero minsan nahihirapan na ako mag-turn off ng brain ko. To the point na I even researched on TikTok and on Instagram, ano yung signs na may ADHD yung tao. Ang ganito kasi na-feel ko, minsan, I always have to be doing something.
Parang bawal ka mapahinga.
And when I rest, I feel that I'm being unproductive. Maybe because for the past 20 years of my life, ganun ko na build yung system ko. Na go, 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 go.
Yes.
So, when it comes to like, let's say, a Sunday or a day that I don't have work, I feel it's wrong. I feel, shit, tama ba itong wala akong ginagawa? O may mali? So all these other things start coming on my mind. And then instead of resting, which is supposed to be my rest day, I turn to my phone, I put it down, sige Netflix naman, hindi rin naman makakoncentrate sa pinapanood ko. So I'll go to the kitchen, grab a bite, and then I'm back to my phone. And then, then I sit down and I'm like, shit, what is happening to me? Why am I so, parang aligaga? Tama ba yung term?
Yes, restless.
Restless on a day that I should be resting.
Yeah.
It's pretty fucked up. So here I am, which might not be the best thing to do, going on TikTok, ChatGPT, symptoms of ADHD.
Correct.
Or
So,
what?
ano yung mga nakita mo online?
Oo nga. Ano
Ayun,
yun?
tumama lahat sa mga
ano yun? Ano yung mga, nag-self-medicate na siya
you can't focus,
Okay.
lack of focus, can't seem to rest
Okay.
or put your mind at ease because you always have to, alam mong rest day, pero sige, let me try to be productive on my rest day. So it opened the whole new can of worms. So I stopped doing it. I stopped researching on TikTok kasi of course it's not the right thing to do.
Yeah, tama.
But so yeah, maybe we can start there. Maybe a lot of people can relate to that.
Ano nga ba yun? Overstimulation ba yun?
No,
ano nangyayari kay Sam?
notice all the information Sam shared. Number one, he has been doing this for 10 years. Which tells me also, Sam, you like what you do, right?
Of course,
It makes
of course.
you happy, right?
Mhm.
There. So every time he feels sad or down or unproductive, yung na-condition sa brain niya na this makes me happy, your brain goes there. Right? It's conditioned that what I do makes me happy. So when I'm not doing it, I'm not happy.
Makes
Meaning,
sense.
so let's say, kasi again, The thing with our brain is that we're not actually controlling it. Do you notice that? Even our heart,
Yeah.
diba? Di naman
Naku!
Yan, mahirap
Naku,
yan.
Diba?
Ano ba mas
open.
madaling kontrolin?
No,
Puso
no.
or isip?
No, both are difficult to control.
Yeah.
That's why it controls us.
Okay.
So if you're not aware and you don't have a good sense of relationship with your body, it controls you. Ibig sabihin, nagkaka-urge ako, kailangan ko siyang sundin, so bababa siya. But actually, baliktad.
Mhm.
We're supposed to be the one regulating our heart and
Mm.
our brain. So how does that look like? So kunyari, yung heart natin, di naman natin sinasabi na, okay, beat. We can't. But when we start feeling palpitation, ang problema is that the brain interprets it. Kumbaga, ay, kinakabahan ako.
Oh.
Kaya meron akong recently na kinoy na statement. Sabi ko, if your body is in pain, don't trust the brain.
Okay.
Because your body...
Sorry, wait lang. Ulitin ko lang.
Yeah.
If your body is in pain,
Don't
don't trust the brain.
Yes.
Parang naisip ko to sa mga nagmamarathon tsaka mga umahon.
Correct.
Pansinin mo, lahat
Umahon
naman
ng
nagmamarathon,
mga
napapagod
EDSA,
na.
fly over.
ganun, no?
Napapagod sila, di ba? Tapos nasasabi, yo, ba't ko ba ito ginagawa?
Pero ginagawa pa
Pero-
rin.
Pa rin nila. Kaya may mga pacers sila, di ba? Tapos yung mga pacers, ina-encourage sila na, onti na lang. Nilalabanan yung brain. Di naman nila binubuhat yung person. Ibig sabihin, like what Sam is saying, pagod, eto, hulaan ko na lang, Sam. For the past week, sabi ko nga, mahirap mahanap yung sa'yo, Sam, kasi ini-enjoy mo yung work mo eh. Ibig sabihin, you're not aware that maybe your body is in a lot of stress because you're enjoying yourself, di ba? So, but the body, when it's, kaya nga tinatawag na circadian rhythm, kasi may rhythm yan dapat. So, most likely, yung circadian rhythm mo, medyo
Magulo.
wala siyang rhythm.
Oo.
Ibig sabihin, your body medyo nalilito siya kahit mga 1 hour lang na travel time. It's not necessarily the time that we're looking at. We're looking at the body clock, the rhythm of the body. So the body, pag kunyari sa umaga, ito yung flow mo, so nag-exercise ka, tas brain work ka sa hapon, ang ina-expect niya matutulog na ako. Pag nagugulo yun,
Okay.
right? Natataranta yung body. Nagsa-survival mode ngayon yung brain.
Makes sense sa trabaho
Yes.
niya. Kasi papi, diba?
Yes. Kakasabi mo lang,
Unpredictable yung
yes.
schedule mo.
Yes.
Hindi yan gaya nung sked
Yup.
namin.
Hindi na parang 9 to 5.
Oo. At mahirap yun for the mind.
Yes. At saka, mapapansin mo yung sinasabi ni Sam, rest day ko today. Alam mo, Sunday today, wala kang gagawin. But your body doesn't know that.
Kasi sometimes he works on a Sunday.
Or even sometimes, like, pag malungkot siya, nagpapasaya sa kanya work. So, ang association ng brain is that we gotta work. Because
Kasi
that
doon
makes
tayo
me happy.
sumasaya. Oo.
Yes.
Cover up what
What
It's
you're
not
feeling.
necessarily covering up. It's actually soothing yourself. Meaning, parang, okay, eto medyo laliman natin. Sa classical conditioning ni Pavlov, may aso, tas may bell, at saka may treat. Okay. So, yung aso, wala siyang paki sa bell. Ano ba naman paki niya sa bell, di ba? Pag binebell niya, wala nangyayari.
Oo.
But yung treat, pag binigay natin dun sa dog, nagsasalivate siya, tas pinair natin ngayon siya sa bell. So kahit wala na yung treat, pag narinig niya yung bell, nagugusto ng dog.
Oo.
So technically, si Sam, na-pair niya yon na masaya yung work. So
So
ngayon,
pag hindi siya nag-work, wala na siyang ibang na-feel kundi
oo,
emptiness,
hinahanap niya.
loneliness. Okay.
Kasi na-pair niya yon. And I mean, you've been doing this for 20 years, so that tells me na you have been conditioned to really find joy in it. Or kaya ang sa akin, kasi so ADHD is a neurodevelopmental category. Ibig sabihin,
I wanna know
Yan
nga,
nga eh.
sa mag-TikTok, maybe you can enlighten us on like some of the symptoms or
correct.
At saka paano malalaman ng tao?
Correct.
Ay,
Ayun
na,
na.
may ADHD.
Correct.
Paano ba yun? Pupunta sa doktor? May
Yes.
medical procedures na gagawin?
At saka
Assessment?
minsan in-interview kailangan yung pamilya. Kasi iba yung perception mo versus nakikita rin nila.
Oh, yeah.
So, kunyari, pwede natin tanongin yung asawa mo na, si Sam ba, napapansin mo na makakalimutin? So, pag nag-match yun, yung mga assessments na yun, you can be diagnosed.
siguro sabihin niya pag 1 a.m. onwards, makalimutin na ako.
Tsaka gaano katagal yung assessment bago malaman kung may ADHD?
There's a lot of ways eh. So, may interview, may assessment. The assessment should just take like a day, but it also has a lot to do with the content of the resource. So, kung na-interview natin yung family, may self-assessment ka, sasagutan mo, and then interview as well. So, maraming, parang kunyari, punta ka sa hospital, tapos check yung blood mo. Ganun lang din. But this one is more questions, more understanding kailan to nag-start. So ang ADHD, ideally, isa sa mga markers niya is you're actually born that way. However, yes, kaya isa sa mga interview questions is like, nung bata ka ba, description sa'yo is makulit ka, hindi ka makaupo, tayo ka ng tayo sa classroom. Ibig sabihin, you're hyperactive. That's one of the markers. However, because of the age of social media, we are constantly stimulated.
Oh,
Yes,
akala
we're
ko
developing it now.
Oh,
Feeling ko-
late
Yes.
development.
Pwede yun.
Oh, so not necessarily
Yes.
I was born with it.
Yes,
Kasi
na-develop
nung,
mo na siya.
nung bata naman tayo, at speaking for trentahin ng mga katulad natin, diba?
Ako dyan.
Mga
At,
kwenta pa
diba,
lang,
at
oo.
that time, paano ba tayo maglaro? Wala pa tayong cellphones,
Wala.
basketball.
Naglalaro tayo sa kalye.
Pagtapos yung,
Yeah.
yung playtime, okay, uwi ka na, pahinga ka na, tulog, which was a lot easier. Now, correct me if I'm wrong, I mean both of you, but I think we are all a bit overstimulated.
Yeah.
Even yung mga bata.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Totoo yan.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Pansinin nyo, ang hirap maging bored.
Yun,
Yeah.
boom, nadali niya.
Alam mo ba? No, I wanna say this ha. Boredom is a gift.
Yeah.
Boredom is important.
Yeah.
Because when you're bored, you're not supposed, parang wala akong kailangan gawin.
Uh-huh.
That means your brain is now actively, whew. But because we're not, nagkaka-stress na tayo pag bored, katulad nga ng anak ko, Mom, I'm so bored. Gagalit siya. But really, it's because,
Most of the kids are like that.
yes,
Oo.
kasi constantly on sila.
Oo.
Yeah.
So it's not wrong to be bored. There's
It's
nothing
not
wrong
wrong.
with being bored.
In fact,
Sarap
it's a
kaya
life.
bored, tapos tumulala.
Yes, you know why?
Oo.
That's the only time you think of your purpose. Your meaning in life, your purpose in life, pag wala kang ginagawa.
Paano yun?
Pag hindi ka distracted.
Max, pag bored ako, wala akong naiisip. Healthy ba yun?
Well, that's probably na wala kang pinoproblema. That's fine. That could be
Okay,
rest.
okay.
However, lagi natin tignan gaano kadalas, gaano kahaba,
Okay.
parang nakatunganga ka na lang ba to the point na hindi ka na nagfa-function as
Ay,
a work.
hindi naman,
O
hindi
yun.
naman,
So
okay.
that could be rest.
Okay.
But my...
Pero when hindi ka na tinatamaan ng boredom,
Mhm.
problema yon.
Problema yun.
Yun.
Kaya yun yung nararamdaman
So parang
mo
ang
sa...
tanong dapat natin sa listeners and viewers natin, kailan kayo huling na bored?
Bored. I was thinking about the same thing.
Yeah.
Kailan ka last na bored?
Ikaw, when was the last time
Yan.
na na-bored ka?
Ito nga yun eh. Baka nung mga Sundays mo, nabobore ka nun, kaya ka nasistress eh.
Pero nilalabanan ko.
Paano?
Bakit mo nilalabanan?
Ako naman paano?
Gusto ko
Parang mali.
Ganito kasi yan.
Sorry.
Ano ba ng boredom?
No,
Unahin
yeah.
mo yung sagot ni Max, Doc
Oh.
Max.
I feel bored, so I find something to do.
Mm.
Kasi I feel that there's something wrong if I'm not productive.
Mhm.
But parang alam kong baka na-condition ko lang yung utak ko na maging ganun sa sobrang
Mhm.
dalas ko ng ginagawa to.
Mhm. Or kaya, sagutin mo yung tanong. So, kunyari, nasa bahay ka, tas, okay, may kailangan ba akong gawin? Pag yung sagot wala, rest in that fact.
Mhm.
Kasi kung mapapansin mo, remember, our brain, it doesn't learn what's healthy. Okay? We cannot teach it what's healthy. It will always just go back to what you repeat. The brain learns through repetition. So, ibig sabihin, yun yung kinocondition natin sa brain natin through repetition. Ibig sabihin, it's not necessarily healthy, but you're conditioned and you're sanay. But remember, hindi porket sanay tayo, healthy sa atin yun, di ba?
Or is it also part na halimbawa when you're on your rest during ng weekends na wala kang trabaho and then you see all of the people on social media, your friends na ang dami pa rin nilang ginagawa,
Yan.
weekend na.
Mhm.
Yan.
Nakaka-apekto yun. Na
Well,
parang,
Sila naka 20K na.
yun na nga.
Ako,
You're
ako
hitting-
20 minutes na ako nakatambay. Parang
I
ganun.
mean,
But you're hitting a lot of different factors.
But is it a factor?
Oh, yeah. But that I want to address right now as a singular issue, comparison.
Okay.
Comparison is the, tawag nila, yung...
Root.
Yes.
Root of all evil, thief
No,
of joy.
it's the root of dissatisfaction.
okay.
The moment you compare your life to others, you're immediately dissatisfied.
Mhm.
So, yun, to me, ang suggestion ko sa totoo lang, let's say some of our audience are listening and, ganun din ako. Anong gagawin namin?
Oo.
You need to go back to being regulated. Honestly, ito yung pinakamahirap na part, but detach. Detach from that stimulus. And kailangan mong bumalik dun sa normal state mo. Ang hirap. Pero yun yung humanness natin na kailangan, lagi ko sinasabi, may emergency ba sa social media?
Wala.
Yep. Di ba? Meron ba
No.
tayong mamimiss na kailangan na life and death?
Well, para sa akin kasi
Of
work
course, yun nga yung
reduce
sa work.
Oh, and it's hard for me, really.
Mm.
Na
Naman-
minsan pag wala ka na sa work, ayaw mo nang tignan, pero kailangan.
Kailangan.
Pareho kami parang nasanay na ako na,
Ang gagawin ko
You
na
grab
lang
your
dyan.
phone.
Yeah.
Sometimes you don't even care about what you're gonna see.
Yup.
Diba? Actually, technically, when you look at your phone, like you tap it, diba? Ito. Sorry sa mga madadamay. Anyway, Andrew, sa
meron
Kenyo,
agad.
Emboy, ayan. You see naman that there are messages.
okay.
Groups. Alam naman natin may groups na may kwenta, may groups na medyo masaya, may groups na importante.
Oo.
But for some reason, let me swipe up, see what happens.
Sobrang daming notification.
No. It's not just that. Well, you got the emails and everything. My thumb will go to Instagram.
Instantly ikaw,
Oh,
ganun
parang
ka.
it became a habit type of thing.
Mhm.
I know it's not healthy. But I'm trying to get out of that
System.
na parang my brain has been
Wired.
wired
Oo, wired ka
so
na.
much that you go to your social media account even before you check the messages. Alam mo, may importante dapat check na message, nagsend na na message.
Oo, oo.
Pero unahin mo pa rin yung, teka, mag-social media mo na mga 2 minutes.
Okay.
Tapos, ay shit, nga pala, may nag-message pala si Chacha.
Saka mo lang maaalala.
Kaya pala binuksan yung
Oo,
phone ko kasi
oo.
nag-message siya.
Yup.
But I really feel that, I'm not sure kung ako lang to, pero parang, yun nga, sobrang overstimulated na nakakapagod.
Mhm.
Hindi physically, but you just feel so
Yeah,
tired.
At saka,
drained ka
guys,
lang.
isa pa dyan na malala is emotions nyo madadamay. Mapitik kayo,
Mapitik.
mapitik.
Mabilis uminit yung ulo.
Oo, na parang mabilis mataranta, laging maingay. Kasi, okay, so let me create a solution for that. Ideally, what you wanna do is, kunyari lang, ito medyo mas practical. Let those group message there na parang, guys, if you need me, this is my number. And then, you be the one in control of the notifications, meaning set a time when you need to check it.
Okay.
Does that make sense? So, kunyari,
Yeah,
for me, kasi I know my day, parang wala naman akong important na kailangan gawin on Instagram, but I set a time when I'm gonna be on Instagram, let's say 5 o'clock to 5:30.
Yeah.
But the
yeah.
rest of that, sasabihin ko sa kanya, if you need me, reach out to me through my
Oo.
WhatsApp.
Yeah.
So then I'm in control. And
You set
every
a
moment-
boundary, no?
Yes, and a
Mhm.
time.
For yourself also.
yourself.
Yeah, for yourself.
Hindi
You
na
set
para
a
sa ibang tao.
Here's
boundary.
the thing. That's you mastering yourself.
Yeah.
Self-mastery is one of the biggest skill we should
Galing.
learn. Self-control, self-mastery. Instead of it controlling us,
Galing,
we
galing.
control it.
Kasi remember during the time na sobrang na-burn out ako. You remember
Yes,
that
of
era?
course.
Yun yung era na wala akong boundary.
Mm.
Na lahat ng tao pwede niyo akong kontakin.
Yup.
From
Anytime,
work to
anywhere,
anytime pwede niyo akong kontakin.
Yup.
And then what I did, ginawa ko yung sinasabi mo. Na parang, okay, magsaset ako ng time na dapat kahit i-check
Yup.
ko yan ng weekends, ito lang yung leeway.
Yes.
Parang 1 to 2 p.m., ganun
yeah.
lang, yun lang. Pero yung
Okay.
weekend, akin yan.
Correct.
Sa family ko yan.
Correct. And you
When
know
I
what?
did
Mm.
that, ang laki nung change
Yes.
sa akin.
And you're gonna feel like you have a lot of time.
Yes,
Mhm.
yes. At saka mas na-enjoy ko.
Yeah.
Alam mo, like in my mind, at the back of my mind, alam ko may work pa rin.
Uh-huh.
Pero nung nag-set ako ng time na yun lang yung i-check ko
Yeah.
sa work,
Yeah.
mas okay.
Yes.
Oo, yeah.
Kasi yung brain mo, tandaan natin, diba? So, kung ano yung nire-repeat natin. So, kung lagi siyang nandun sa treadmill of stimulation, pag wala ka dun, it feels wrong, but it's healthy. So, then what you're doing to your brain is that you're now creating boundaries, tama yung sinabi mo, through time frames.
Mm.
So, pero in exception na nga lang
Paano
dyan
yung kay
is,
Sam?
eto kasi influencer,
ganun na.
parang laging feeling
Kung
ko,
ang work ay social media, halimbawa, part of his job is really like, kailangan nasa social media. Paano yun?
and then I would create a to-do list for today. I have to post this. Then lagyan mo siya ng time frame kung saan. Ideally, I think we talked about this siya, yung tungkol sa, kunyari, Google Calendar. Di ba sinabi ko to sa'yo na parang create facets in your life na nandun. You make time for that are important to you. Blue pag work, green pag family, pink kapag self-care. Try mo lang, as in this week, plot every hour you spend and you will see like, nag-work lang pala ako the whole time.
Kung gaano kalaki yung
Chunk of
time
the
na
day.
naaalat mo sa social
Yes.
media, sa work, sa
And for a
family,
lot of
sa
people,
friends.
what I do is that i-plot mo rin kailan ka mag-rest, kailan ka matutulog, kailan ka maliligo. Tapos makikita mo doon na bakit ako magre-reklamo na overstimulated ako? Eh, yun na nga pala yung ginagawa ko sa time.
So you can be overstimulated even if kompleto yung tulog mo.
Yes.
Oo eh.
Yes.
Oo.
Kompleto yung tulog mo,
Ang
Sam.
malala
Yes,
dyan,
yes.
How many hours?
I average 6.5.
Explain. Bakit ganon? Kasi minsan sinasabi nila, pag okay naman yung tulog, dapat okay ka na the rest of the
No.
day.
Hindi
No.
rin eh. Oo
Hindi
eh.
rin eh. Because in fact, mas nakakatakot. kapag hindi na kailangan ng tao ng tulog. Kunyari, umiigsi na 4 hours, tas productive ka, that could be borderline
Can we
manic,
name names sa
bipolar.
mga ganon? Mga,
Teka lang.
may kilala
Oo.
tayo, ha?
Oo.
More
Yung
watching
delicate-
you, ha?
Guys, a human, oo, a human being.
Yung mga only 3 hours and I'm
Hindi
good.
kasi parang
That's not okay.
ginabahan ako doon na yung productive ka pa rin kahit kulang ka sa
Kasi
tulog.
pwede ka nagmamanic. Manic is a bipolar symptom and that means that your brain is actually, di ba sabi ko sa'yo, Cha, hindi natin control yung brain. We need to help it. So if the brain detects na, uy, hindi tayo natulog, uy, ang daming stress, nagsa-survival mode yan para soldier. And it's not something you can just tell it. Kaya nga maganda yung ganyan, yung minomonitor mo, okay, 6 hours ako today. You have to know what's going on in your body so you can help it. How can you help it? Lower down the stimulation. Fix the circadian rhythm. In fact, kunyari lang, baliktad yung oras yung mga nag-call center. Ang sinasabi ko sa kanila, kung nagtatrabaho kayo sa gabi, ganito ka dapat kaliwanag yung ilaw. Tapos sa gabi or yung umaga nyo, kailangan
Baliktad.
sobrang
Dilim.
dilim.
Pero that's easier para dun sa mga routinary yung work.
Yes.
For Sam,
Ito yung
na
mahirap.
unpredictable yung sked. Ngayon, may work. Bukas, wala. Sa susunod, may work. Kumbaga, minsan, alternate days ka, di ba?
That's
Paano
why
yun?
I will suggest na i-compartmentalize mo pa rin siya into chunks. So, ito, low stimulation, body rest. Kumbaga, tas i-schedule mo lahat ng meetings mo sa area na yon, nagising ka talaga. Because ano yan at the end of it all, your body is just sensing what's going on and it adapts to it.
Can he do a routine even if hindi routinary yung work
Yes.
niya?
Yes.
Pwede pa
For
rin.
the
It
rest of
could
the
be
day.
windows. So,
Okay.
kunyari, 7 in the morning till maybe, kasi magandang araw ng 7 eh. Pangit yung araw ng mga lunch or ano. So, kailangan 7 in the morning, we need energy. So, sun, food. Yun yung talagang slow down mo, Sam. 7 ng umaga siguro until mga 9. Yan yung sayo lang.
When you say slow down, can you give like tips
No
on
stimulation in the
should
brain.
you not check your phone
Yes.
first?
Yes.
Because this is something that which I started to do, which I
Yeah.
found
Very
quite
helpful.
effective. Oh.
Mhm.
I check my phone syempre for the time. Pagkagising, di ba? Pero wala mo nang bubuksan.
Okay.
Unless yun nga, may,
May
like I said,
messages
makikita
na.
mo naman na kung may emergency.
Oo, ayan, may
Like,
nag-miss call na
di ba?
nga ngayon.
Ayan, oo.
Oo.
Makikita mo ng bagay, may nag-miss call habang
Correct,
tulog ka. Then
correct.
of course, that's a different situation. But avoid opening social media, which has been really helpful for me. So I try to give my first hour, I spend it with myself.
Mhm.
Pero,
What do you do?
wala na.
Wala na,
I
okay,
wake up, of course, brush my teeth,
Oo.
ilamos, kape sa
Basta
baba.
sa'yo lang yun.
Basta sa akin na wala mo nang check ng cellphone. I spend time with my dogs. Pero, ang problema, so na-master ko na yon, which has been magical for me. Problema naman after, pag okay, eto na. Tapos na yung 1 hour.
Okay.
Grab your
Yun,
phone.
oh my God.
Oh my, dire-diretso na.
Dire-diretso. Wala
That's
pa ring
why
awan.
Parang on switch talaga siya.
Pero yung kulang kasi sa 1 hour sa sarili mo is that hindi mo, dapat nakalatag din yung sa day eh.
Oo, kung ano yung
Para
mga
hindi ka
gagawin niya.
Parang you're preparing
Oo.
yourself mentally.
Correct.
Okay, I have a big meeting today at the lunch, ganito. Kumbaga may grounding ka that whatever happens through your day, you will go back and circle back to your safe space.
Or, Doc Max, correct me if I'm wrong, Sam, baka yung nangyayari sa kanya is every time, wala na siyang ginagawa, social media agad. Yung unang...
Pwede,
ba?
Sam.
Ganon?
Parang, pwede. Minsan hindi nga. I was trying to watch Netflix,
Oo.
pero
Ayaw,
Kuha
no?
pa rin ng
Kuha pa
phone.
rin ng phone.
Oo.
Alam mo kung bakit? Kasi sa sobrang, okay, di ba sabi ko sobrang bilis ng stimulation. Mabilis.
Oo.
Tapos nanood ka ng movie, tapos
Long
may build-up,
form eh.
ang bagal.
Oo. Ang haba.
Yes.
Correct.
Pero ang problema, pag inilagyan mo ng social media, then you're actually pressing on the gas again.
yun,
So
parang
the
ganun nga.
moment,
Ito
the
ka na
moment
naman.
na nahuli mo yung sarili mo na maghahanap ako, sit with that. I
So
want
what's
you
the-
to delay it,
Okay.
otherwise you're rewarding it.
So, ibig
Delay
sabihin,
it for like 5 minutes.
pag naiisip niya na kunin yung phone, wag.
Siguro
Okay,
place the
wag.
phone in another room.
Yes.
Yes.
So pag
yes.
Pag nandun na yung phone mo, tapos nanonood ka, kunin ko
Very
yung phone,
effective yun.
what you're doing, Sam, is that you're rewiring your brain in that very moment unconsciously. Nagkaroon ng craving.
Nag-habit na
Tapos
kasi.
sabi mo, pause. So, natututunan na brain, ano na, nasa na, tapos ikaw hindi, upo tayo dito. Actually, that urge is gonna die down.
Oh, yeah.
You're actually unconsciously withdrawals also when you're like sa drugs.
Oo, parang may
May
withdrawal
craving.
siya eh. Parang
Ah,
nagiging aligaga ka.
yup.
Mm.
And I tried to explain this kanina. Alam mo yung sa Pilipinas lalo, nakikita mo yung mga poste na Meralco na
Yung
buhol-buhol na.
buhol-buhol.
Tapos
Ang
minsan
dami
traffic,
niyan.
di ba? Traffic na kagano'n ka lang. Parang,
Ang dami niyan.
paano kaya mag-aantangle ni kuya yan? Isang maantangle
Yeah,
ba ba?
nakakatakot nga eh.
Oo.
So, when I
You
see
feel
something
like-
like that, that's like how my brain is. I feel
Yeah.
sa, ang dami nangyayari, ang daming tabs na open.
Yup.
I don't know where to start. I don't know where to end.
Kailan
But
pa
I know-
yan?
It's probably been going on for a while.
Okay.
I just never really sat
Okay.
down and, and gave it attention. Because for the last 4 days, we're recording this on a Monday. I decided to go on a mental health break. So I went to the beach for 4 days. Tapos yun nga, parang I noticed, even if like I'm on the beach, okay, let me stand up. Let me walk.
Mhm.
Do you want to do this? Do you want to eat? Ano pa rin?
Natataranta ka.
Oo,
parang
parang
may
legit ka pa
suggestion ako
rin.
sa-
Tapos sa utak ko
Mm.
parang, pagbalik ko, kailangan ko gawin to.
Mhm.
Pagkabalik ko, ito naman yung kailangan gawin.
Iniisip
Yung-
niya na
yung
yung mga
kulang
trabaho niya.
Yung kulang dito na nakikita ko rin is sulat mo siya. Basta
Journaling.
ito na lang kunyari, gawin mo lang siya simple. Kunyari pag uwi mo mamaya, kuha ka ng post-it. Don't think about like, kailangan, gaano katagal. Dump mo lahat ng mga feeling mo kailangan magawin. So, makalat yung post-it. Tapos saka mo siya ilagay into like, isipin ko to sa Thursday, ito sa Friday. Right? So, yun yung sinasabi ko na once it's on your calendar, when you wake up in the morning, you're not thinking of Thursday onwards. You're just thinking of today.
Yeah.
Kasi tandaan mo, yung mga nire-repeat natin sabihin, tama yung example mo na ganun niya siya.
Oh, bulbuling
Because
wires.
bulbul.
Tapos di mo na alam paano yung
Yes.
untangle.
And you know what, Sam? It's the same thing. It's just a recurring stress na nare-remind ka. But if you compartmentalize them and put it in a post-it, you'll probably see 6 big things.
So, gaano katagal if sinunod niya yan bago maging okay ulit yung brain niya na hindi na ganun ka buhol-buhol?
Ideally, pag ginawa niyo yan, kasi ganito yan. So, kunyari may 6 post-it siya. Wedding ni ganito, kailangan ko mag-aral na ganito, kailangan to. Okay, nakasulat. Pag nilagay mo na siya na may time frame, so ito sa Thursday ko to isipan, ito Saturday. That moment na na-trigger ka na may kailangan akong gawin, hindi mo na siya may isip sa sa Thursday pa yan. Nalalet go mo siya. Natatapon mo siya. So you don't worry about
About it.
the next 2 days. You're worrying about just today. So in
Kumaga,
that-
that's a tomorrow problem.
Yes.
That's a Thursday problem. Why worried about it on a Monday? Thursday pa naman yan.
Tapos ang ginawa mo, kasi Sam, kaya ka nire-remind ng brain mo kasi hindi mo siya sinulat. So nire-remind ka niya, uy Thursday Tapos ikaw, oo. Ayaw nga pala, meron pa akong Friday. So ang ingay, kasi hindi mo siya na-acknowledge eh. Basically, pag sinulat mo siya sa Thursday and then you go back to it, suggestion ko sa'yo, Sam, if you have a room or area in your place, you can do like a ganyang whiteboard.
Post-it talaga.
Post-itan mo lang.
Post-it.
So that yun yung grounding mo sa umaga na, okay, Monday, focus ka.
Alam niya yung mga gagawin niya. Alam niya yung kung
Tapos-
ano yung
Yes.
unahin. Oo,
Tapos
that's
nakaplan ka na
nice.
sa rhythm mo rin.
Oo.
Na parang, okay, masistress ako today, pero may nilook forward pala ako mamaya. And then when you think of the
galing.
tomorrow, don't think about tomorrow.
Oo,
Think about it tomorrow morning.
Oo. Oo.
Diba? Kasi,
Kasi na-schedule mo na rin naman siya for tomorrow.
Yes.
Parang ngayon, ano yung iniisip mo ngayon?
Lahat
Dapat ang
i-dump mo
iisipin mo lang ngayon, yung mga gagawin mo
Monday things,
today.
Monday
Hindi mo na
things.
yung bukas.
pero
Pero like,
Sam, sa ginagawa mo, kailangan mo ng, gano'n, ng time frame.
kaya lang Doc
nakadump.
Max, hindi kasi ganun ang tao, di ba? Parang tayo wired tayo, isipin talaga yung mangyayari. Bukas, susunod na
Yung
linggo.
worrying
Oo eh.
about something, sometimes nga, I know it's not the healthiest thing, but worrying about something that or a problem that's not even there yet.
Yeah. Or
That's a
sometimes
big-
it's not even a problem.
It's
You just
not a
worry a
problem.
lot. Oh.
It drains so much of your energy.
And again, it's stealing away the joy of what you have today.
Mhm.
Kaya lagi kong sinasabi, overthinking, anxiety, all of these things, you guys, are a waste of time.
What's the danger kung hindi agad maaagapan pag ganun ka overstimulated?
Number 1, you'll be controlling. Kunyari,
Of everything.
Kunyari, nag-worry ka lagi, is that the question? You will be very controlling. And you will not tolerate small changes. Iinit ulo mo, lahat ng bagay, biktima ka. Kasi, bakit ganito? Hindi ito part ng, ganun. Magiging sobra mong irritable. Kasi gusto mo, kung ano yung winnery mo, yun yung mangyayari.
Yun na dapat.
Rigid ka, hindi ka mag-grow.
Let's go back to if you don't mind, just
Yeah.
symptoms of ADHD.
Mhm.
Living in a very overstimulated society now. I like what Chacha said kasi kanina na, okay, eto ka na, on your rest day, you open social media and you see, oh
A
wait,
lot of them.
si Chacha nag-high rocks today. Samantalang ako, nandito ako sa couch, kumakain lang ng chips. Shit, I feel bad about myself.
Sarap naman yung chips.
Teka lang.
Wow!
Diba? Parang,
yung
teka,
chips eh.
then I start thinking, should I also stand up?
Yeah.
Should I also start making a move? Kasi kung hindi, feeling ko I'm losing out on life or, not being productive.
Parang napag-iiwanan ako, lahat sila gumalaw na.
Oo.
Ganun.
Oo.
Siguro specifically about that, so I'm gonna talk about the ADHD symptoms in a bit. But to answer that, that's not necessarily ADHD.
Okay, yung
comparing,
okay,
no? Pero part of ADHD kasi is emotion dysregulation. Ibig sabihin, someone who has ADHD, mahirap sila makalet go ng feelings. Dumidikit siya. for like 2 hours or so, yung buwisit ka pa rin sa isang bagay na yun, tas ang hirap i-let go. So,
Kahit
may
maliit na
design ka
bagay,
naman.
nagsistay lang siya.
This way. But yun, I want to make a comment there. One is that, di ba, when we start comparing ourselves to other people, we immediately lose joy. We immediately lose contentment. And then, it becomes our race, yung race niya.
Correct.
So, dapat balik mo sa'yo.
And also, minsan yung loss of joy, minsan, ang saya-saya mo, may nakita ka lang, ay,
Oo.
sure.
Wala na.
Mababa yung emotions mo
Oo,
agad.
diba?
Ang bilis.
Oh, yeah.
Even
Oo.
if gising mo, sobrang okay, nagising mo,
yeah.
okay, it's a
Active ka
good
na.
day, ganyan.
Pag nakita,
Let
pwede
me-
ba ako na mag-mute? Sino yan? I-mute ko sa'yo.
Maraming
Halika
nakikita
dito,
mo.
i-mute ko yan.
Mga productive na tao, nakamute kayo sa akin. Puro tambay pinapalo ko
Alam mo,
ngayon.
ang ganda.
Mike, nakamute sa akin.
Sinunod mo na.
Oh,
Okay,
delete na
42
kita.
kilometers.
Pero,
Grabe.
yan nga rin yung isa sa tanong ko sa kanya kanina, Papi. Kasi ngayon,
Yeah.
yung pag-workout, yung hobbies,
Yep.
parang naging super performative na, Doc
Oh,
Max.
wow, you opened the whole can of worms.
No, because I sometimes feel ko ano yung nafe-feel ni Sam, but I try it na hindi ako maapektuhan.
Apektuhan,
Okay.
Parang ang gagawin ko, so pag nakita ko yun, binababa ko agad, na parang, ano naman kung nag-workout sila? Gusto ko manood
Fair
eh.
enough.
Yep.
Hindi ako, ganun ako lagi.
Yep.
Ganun lagi ginagawa ko. Ang hindi ko mapigilan ngayon, yung, uy, ang ganda na ng arms niya. Lord,
Okay.
ang ganda
Ah,
na.
okay.
Gusto ko na ng ganon. So, nandun ako sa phase na yon na hindi naman lahat no nakikita, pero meron akong certain na lahat ng arms na magaganda, puro ganun lumalabas sa feed ko ngayon.
Okay.
Yun lang, nandun ako sa era
The
na
arms
ngayon.
and the dogs. Okay.
Siguro dahil yung husband ko, ang ganda na nung cut. So parang feeling ko, naiwanan niya ako.
Okay.
Gets mo?
Get it.
Parang
Yeah.
naiwanan ako ng asawa ko. But I have to give it to him kasi ang tagal naman yan ng pinaghirapan.
Yeah.
2 years ago niya
At
pa
saka
yung
sasabihin mo sa lima,
ginagawa.
akin yan.
Ayun na.
Nakita ko yung may post siyang ganun eh.
That's mine.
Sa'yo ba lahat yan? Di ba? Parang,
Diba?
so natutuwa naman ako. Pero sa akin, may slight effect on me rin. Yung mga nakikita ko on social media, minsan, kagaya ni Papi na, okay, lahat sila nag-exercise. So, ako 10 a.m. na nakahiga pa. Paano yan?
Sunday, di ba? Sunday. Sila naka-Sunday Ayala car free
Oo,
na.
mga gising-gising na
Pagkagising
sila.
mo, may kotse na
Ano
kasi
yun,
car free
It's
hour.
9 o'clock, checking it, and we're just having coffee. So,
So,
wow.
sometimes, nagiging bitter yata ako. So, sabi ko kay Mike,
Is
ba't ganun, love?
being
Parang feeling ko, nagiging bitter ako. Personally, to sa akin ha. Baka hindi naman kasi ganito yung nafe-feel ng
Yeah.
iba pag nakikita nyo yung ibang todohan sa sports nila.
yeah.
Sa akin lang, Doc Max, is pag nakikita ko, sabi ko sa asawa ko, kailan naging performative yung halimbawa, pag workout, pag cycling, pag running, parang lahat may goal.
Yeah.
Lahat pang andara ng
Is it-
ng bilis.
Is it
Yeah.
because we're in the posting Strava era?
Pwede din yan.
I don't know. Sabi ko, love, sino ba may problema? Ako ba? Dahil baka naiinggit lang ako, mabibilis sila.
Could be.
Pwede,
Could
no?
be, yes.
Or talagang ang mga tao ngayon, paandara na.
Yeah.
Kailan tayo
Healthy.
umabot sa ganon? And,
For the first
Right?
time, eto kikwento ko lang.
Oo.
Ito, side chika lang to.
okay.
So it was, over the weekend, it was the Manila Marathon. Diba? We all know that.
yeah.
And simultaneously, I also just found out there was there was another, after the Manila Marathon, the next day was another run,
Yeah.
apparently, also, diba? Simultaneously, that night of the Manila Marathon, it was also the Mega Ball, am I right?
Oh, yes.
But now I think, sa lakas ng fitness era,
Wala, tinabunan yung Mega Ball.
diba?
I know, Papi.
Ila-
I know. Ilang friends mo na walang pake sa fitness era before ang nasa Manila Marathon?
Yeah.
I'm sure ang dami.
May feed out, siguro 30 na nag-post about either the marathon or a workout, a high rocks or another run. I only, tapos kanina umaga lang, uy, nag-mega ball pala rin ba nung Saturday?
Yeah, hindi
Tabunan.
natabunan na
Hindi
siya.
masyado na pag-usapan. But
Which is great. For
But
fitness-wise,
do
it's
not get
great.
us wrong.
Correct,
We're
correct.
happy. I mean, like,
Yeah.
I'm really happy for those people I know na hindi talaga nag-exercise before and now
Correct,
into
correct,
fitness era.
Correct.
Siguro, parang for me lang, naging performative na ba masyado ngayon na dapat mabilis ako. Dapat, ito yung goal ko.
Yun nga, so,
I mean, tas yung iba, ito, kinukwento ko sa kanya kanina, nagiging dulot na ng stress sa kanila.
yes!
Because I saw my husband
May
kung
mga
paano siya
naka-stretcher na, yeah.
kung paano siya mag-train for marathon. Nagrereklamo siya sa akin na injure na daw yung paa niya. Sabi ko, okay, wag ka na tumakbo. Tapos nagrereklamo siya sa akin na
Sakit na tumagal
hindi siya
na.
nakatulog.
Yeah, of course, anxiety. Yeah.
Yung anxiety niya. So sabi ko sa kanya, imbis na dapat, hindi siya nakatulog.
Okay.
Sabi ko sa kanya, imbis na dapat pinasasaya ka ng hobby na yan, bakit nagdudulot ng stress sa'yo?
Ang ganda yun. Alam mo, I think
Yeah.
Essa is going through the same thing. Because, of course, she's training for something, pero So parang naging, because everybody's posting, let's say, the
Correct.
time,
Correct.
the ano,
Time, yung pace.
yeah, the
right?
pace. Tapos sometimes she'd say, ang bilis pala nito. Ba't ang bilis na ganito?
Yup.
Ako na parang, kasi
Correct.
during
Yeah.
my time, when I
Yeah.
was doing the
Walang ganon,
marathons
papi,
and the
no? Walang
triathlons,
ganon.
Measure.
I really told her, no, of course you measure, I had my watch at that time, which
Right.
I know my
May
pace.
Strava na ba nun?
Meron, but it was not as it is today.
Ah, ah,
Wala, it wasn't the social media era. I think Facebook pa lang yata, Instagram was still
So walang
starting
ganon.
out. I knew my pace because my watch told me my pace, but
Yeah.
nobody posted.
Oo.
Yeah.
Ang labanan na, I was just talking to Esa about this last night, particularly. Sabi ko, kasi nung panahon ko, magka-cross ka, kuha ka ng medal, post mo
na.
yung medal.
Oo,
Yun
yung
ang post mo.
medal.
Yung medal yung post mo.
Yeah, yeah, yung
Tapos ang
medal.
boxing.
Oo.
Tsaka wala
Yeah.
na magtatanong sa'yo, pare, anong pace mo?
Yeah.
Wala rin magtatanong sa'yo.
And then when you see a lot of posts sa Manila Marathon, nakatapos na yung iba ng 42, hindi masaya. Yung iba dahil yung pace
Correct.
nila, hindi nila na-hit.
And
So
then-
minsan kausapin ko yung asawa
Oh my
ko,
God.
Love, 42, dapat happy. Bakit
Oo.
ganito
Exactly,
yung
grabe, no?
Tapos mo,
Yeah, yeah.
it's a lifetime. Alam mo, hindi madali mag-marathon. It's
I
a
know.
lifetime. We are
It's-
1% of the
It's
world.
the hardest
Yeah.
daw
Yes.
to train. Yung marathon,
Yes,
yan
yes.
daw talaga.
It's a brain fuck. It is
Yeah.
gonna be such a
And
brain
that
fuck.
is exactly why people fight for it. I mean, I'm gonna answer it straight up.
So bakit? Bakit
It's
nga, Doc
because
Max?
it's difficult. So, di ba, this time I think we talked about like getting a new house, getting a new thing. It is actually the chase that is addicting. So when you actually get it, the reward is seemingly big because there's an actual effort you personally put in. Kumbaga parang ang nangyayari dito is, eto medyo technical term, conditions of worth. Nagkakaroon na ng conditions yung worth mo sa sarili mo. Kasi nga, I did that, I ran that, not everyone gets that. So lumalaki ngayon yung reward. So people are really gonna try to fight for that because that's their own doing. Pero to
Yeah.
answer your question about,
Nagiging
Is this
stressful na.
yeah.
And is it, paano mo malalaman kung healthy
Healthy pa.
stress pa
I
yan?
get that it's, it's something hard that you want to achieve. But I think an added layer of stress to that stress. No, I'm
Is
just,
the-
yes,
yeah.
di ba? Parang stressful lang nga siya. Pucha, dagdagan pa natin.
Yeah.
Post na, so anong pace mo?
Exactly, di ba?
Ilang minutes ka
Meron
natapos? So it got me thinking, shit.
Uy, wag na kayong magalit.
Oh,
Kasi
no,
ang
no.
dami talaga nag-post
Oo.
nang hindi
Totoo
sila
yan.
masaya.
No, no, and it's
siguro
fine.
dahil meron silang goal.
Yeah.
Tapos hindi sila...
Hindi
Pero
sila
ako
happy
sa
dun sa
akin,
goal
like,
nila.
ang hirap mag-42. In that moment,
Oh,
you
yeah.
seize it, you enjoy it. Don't look at the negative.
survive.
You
Yeah.
survive.
You survive
that
Hindi
shit, man.
lahat
That is no
kaya.
joke.
Come on.
So, parang feeling ko lang, hindi man siguro lahat, pero nagiging cause siya ng stress for other people.
Yes.
For example, my husband, nakita ko talaga sa kanya kung gaano siya ka-stress.
Yeah.
So, kailan mo masasabi na
Because he
yung...
wanted to get
Meron
up
siyang pace.
na hinahabol.
4. Ang gusto niya 4 hours. Eh,
Okay.
kaya lang 5 niya natapos.
Okay, but that was a very tough race. Walang hangin, flyovers and all that shit.
Yes,
How
ang
did you
hirap
feel?
daw.
How did
Pa
you feel?
yun.
Masaya pero alam mo yung hindi siya
May
tumitigil na.
Serious?
I know, love, right?
Oh my
Okay,
God.
okay,
But alam mo, love, kaya ko siyang i-4 hours. Eh.
Yun yung response niya sa'yo.
Pero yun nga, kailan siya nagiging unhealthy na?
Oh,
yung
that's a good
sports
question.
or hobby na dapat nagpapasaya sa atin, nagpaparelax sa atin.
Correct. So, di ba, ang stress kasi when we say stress, inisip natin negative.
Mm.
Pero kasi meron naman, ang stress is really part of life. Meaning, it is good for us, but not in an extreme sense. Meaning, ba't tayo nandito ngayon? Like, we're stressing about our future. We're stressing about our stability. So, we need stress, but there are two components kasi ni stress. Pressure and ability to cope. Ibig sabihin, pag masyado mataas yung pressure, tas mababa yung ability to cope, yun ang bad stress.
Patay.
Pero kapag kunyari si husband mo,
Nasaan ka na doon, love?
pero kasi hindi ko masabi, this might be the only thing na hindi niya type, but fulfilled siya, masaya siya.
Yeah, he's really happy.
Yun. So I think kung yung coping naman niya, meaning kaya niya, hindi siya nalugmok na, kunyari, 4 hours, kaya ko yun, pero 5, di na ako papasok sa work. Yung kumbaga, yun na yung naging backbone niya ng kung ano magiging life niya, yun yung unhealthy. But if this is just a comment of him saying na I could have done better, but he's still happy about it, wala siyang implode, I think
Okay
that's
pa yun,
fine.
healthy pa yun.
Yeah.
When do you know na talagang hindi na healthy? Yung sport for you or yung hobby for you?
Which is supposed to be
Kailangan
something
something
that,
is-
yeah.
Number one, it's
How would
danger
you
to
know?
yourself.
Mhm.
Danger to yourself. You're prioritizing it more than your health, more than your relationships, more than what's realistic.
Ganda.
That's danger to self. Second is that
More
you...
realistic. I think you have to take it on the
Yeah.
third
Yeah.
one.
More realistic,
More realistic.
guys.
Realistic,
Diba?
exactly. Second na pang determine is the duration. Like, is this just a one-time thing na ginawa niya or ganito na tas nawawasak na yung life niya?
Oo.
Kasi may mga seasons naman talaga that we train for something and then we get over it.
Mm-hmm.
But if it sustains you, that you carry that as shame, definitely not okay.
Is it
And
still...
then-
sige,
Oh.
continue.
And then there's distress. Ibig sabihin, parang ganito Kunyari may taong OC,
Oh.
lilinis siya, pero masaya siya.
Na
That's not a
naglilinis.
problem.
Oh my God.
But if pumapasok,
Oo.
ano ba yan? Yung kalat, ano ba yan? Galit ka, tas gusto mo laging malinis, ngayon medyo weird yon.
Mm.
Ibig sabihin, medyo may distress ka. That's also a marker of it being abnormal. So we don't want to just say na dapat in-enjoy mo yan, dapat masaya ka. Not necessarily, because you want to look at other things too. Meaning, that's probably
So
him.
normal pala yun.
Normal pa rin
Kasi
yun.
di naman siya nag-i-implode. Kumbaga, he's just stating...
Sayang lang, parang
yeah,
gano'n.
tsaka
Could have
alam mo
done
tayo
better.
ko dyan.
And then what?
Discipline.
So okay lang ba
Meron
yun?
lang siyang ganun, self-discipline.
Sabihin namin na, pero love, 42 na yan, okay na yan. Okay lang ba yung sagot ko? Or
Ah,
mali
hindi
din
pag
yun?
ganun, kunyari
Yeah, what should you
nag-express
say
ng
to
emotion.
somebody
emotion,
like that?
you ask.
Okay.
Kasi he probably knows that already na 42 na yon. Ang totoong nangyari dito siya, ikaw yung naging uncomfortable na sad siya. Kaya inaayos mo siya. Huwag ka nang sad. Huwag mo siyang ayusin.
Okay.
Kasi ang nangyayari sa atin, di ba, pag may mahal tayo sa buhay, tapos parang, ba't ganyan ka? Ang ginagawa natin, finifix natin. Kaya nagmumukha tayong parang nagko-confide siya sa'yo na sad ako. Tapos ano ka ba? Dapat happy ka. Ang nangyayari is hindi na nga mag-open sa'yo. Parang hindi ko na sinasabing gano'n na.
May point.
But because we are actually the ones uncomfortable. So kaya ako sinabing curious questions. Ask him. So parang what makes you, parang what do you feel about having a 5? Parang does that, kumbaga parang just create space for him to express.
Oh my gosh,
Kasi may disappointment siya sa sarili niya.
Mali yung sagot ko.
Hindi, alam mo,
Ang sagot ko agad sa asawa ko. Hello?
Oh, exactly.
Sa'yo ko na dapat yun.
Kasi syempre,
Pero
for...
sabihin mo sa kanya, like, anong pinakamahirap dun sa 42? Ito, nasa tunnel ka.
Pangitaw sa
Yun.
tunnel, char.
Oh,
Exactly.
damn.
So, parang kung yung gusto mong sabihin sa kanya na ang dami mong pinaghirapan pero nalampasan mo, do it in a form of question. Parang, anong pinakamahirap doon? Tingnan mo, nagawa mo yun. Parang siya, nga, actually. Parang it is more...
Validate mo lang
Yes.
na natapos niya kahit
Yes.
mahirap.
Kasi I think
Oo.
maybe it's him, maybe, I might be wrong, it's him being competitive na
Oo.
parang yung, okay, yes, given natapos
Yung
ko.
competitive
Correct.
side nating mga
But
tao,
I
no?
know I could have done a bit
Yeah,
better. I
you
know I
know,
could have
That's
done
healthy eh. Minsan healthy din yun kasi ibig sabihin, he wants to be better. Meaning, sasali siya ulit sa next marathon.
Maybe not naman na hindi niya kinikredit sa sarili niya na, oh, of course he credited na I finished the 42, but parang, alam mo yung, what they call the post-game analysis. Yung pagkatapos may ginawa, let's say, it's high rocks, it's a triathlon, it's a marathon or a run of 21K. Pag uwi mo na, syempre may runner's high ka muna.
Masaya
Alam
ka
ko
pa.
na yung sinasabi mo post-game.
And then you go home.
Ginawa niya.
And then you go home. And then the dust settles.
Yeah.
Diba?
Wala na yung adrenaline.
Wala na yung adrenaline. Pababa na, okay na, we're done. Pinagdaan ako yung init na yun, yung mga flyover. And here I am now,
Analyzing.
Where did I go wrong?
Exactly.
Yeah.
I was gunning for, let's say, a 4-hour finish. Bakit ako umabot ng 5?
Exactly.
Was I not?
Tinitingnan yung heart rate. Kinukwento niya
Correct.
sa akin.
So
Isa-isa.
now,
Yung
you
pace.
start-
Heart rate lahat. Inisa-isa niya sa akin.
Might not be exactly a negative thing, but I kind of get him
So
also.
that's okay.
That's okay. Kasi look at this. Human need natin, guys, sa lahat ng aspeto is to grow. Let's move away a little bit from marathon. Kunyari, company, 25 years ka na doon, tapos yun pa rin yung job mo. Ayaw mo rin yun, di ba? A lot of
Oo,
people
na
like,
parang
gusto ko
stuck ka dun.
mag-grow. Yan yung version niya.
Pero the problem naman with that, being competitive, not in marathon, in life in general, being super competitive, kailan mo masasabi na, uy, hindi na healthy yung
yan,
pagiging
no?
Kung
competitive
kalaban mo
mo?
ibang tao,
Okay.
kailangan lang kalaban mo ikaw.
Sarili mo.
Yes. You
Oo.
set the standard for
Okay.
your reality.
Eh,
Ito pa,
paano-
may
paano
advice
yung
ako
mga
dyan.
nagmamarathon, nakacheck sa pace ng isa't
Yun.
isa?
Yun.
I
Pag
think-
ganun ka na yung binabantayan mo na yung
Correct.
pace ng mga
Pero
kasama
pansinin
mo.
mo yung asawa mo, kinocompare niya sarili niya sa kanya.
Ay, yeah.
Diba?
Oo, sa sarili niya.
okay lang na yung standard mo is yung sarili mo.
Okay.
Hindi siya healthy pag standard is ibang tao. In fact, I have a lot of
Very
clients
nice.
who would
Ganda,
say na, alam mo, yung buhay ni ganito. Ang isa ko nang tanong sa kanya, gusto mo ba siya as a person? Like, gusto mo magpalit ng life with this person? Tapos sabi niya,
I like that. I
Ganda
like
niya.
that.
sabi niya,
I like that.
ayoko. Di ko siya gusto. Sabi ko, so
Yun
why are
pala
you
eh.
using her standards?
Sobrang ganda nung sinabi mo.
You
Kasi-
want,
Pag may ganyan si Mike na nakita niya on social media, yan lagi sinasabi ko sa kanya. Like, gusto mo yung ganung buhay?
or gusto mo ba siya?
Oh, I mean, like,
Kung
ako gusto mo yung
magpapalit
ganung
kayo
buhay.
ng life,
Exactly.
kukunin
So
mo yung life
whenever
niya.
we compare ourselves sa iba, yun lagi dapat ang tanong. Gusto mo
Parang
ba
ganito, you don't wanna take an advice from somebody, hindi ko nga gusto yung life mo eh. You know what I mean? Like,
Bakit ka naman hindi bigyan ng advice sa akin? No?
that's why you surround yourself with people who are better than you,
Ideally.
kinder than you, more humble than you, people who carry values you want for yourself. So the moment you compare yourself with another human being, the first layer of question is like, di ko nga siya gusto eh.
To begin with,
So why use her standards?
Yeah.
Right.
Ganda.
So ideally, ito meron akong dyan, cute na story. First time ko umalis ng bahay namin, naging independent ako. Tumira ako sa studio sa Eastwood. Sobrang saya ko na. First time kong magkaroon ng sariling lugar. Tapos yung gamit ko lang noon, mattress. Sabi ko, ang saya-saya ko. Siguro mga 2 araw ako masaya. Habang naglalakad ako sa hallway, nakabukas yung sa kapitbahay. Nakita ko 2-bedroom. Nawala na yung joy ko.
In how many minutes
And
did that
how many,
happen?
sabi ko, studio lang yung akin.
Grabe, no?
Ninakaw agad.
Pero as humans, ganyan tayo. Aminin natin.
Yes, yes.
Aminin natin.
And in
Diba?
this age of social media na madali mo makita.
Exactly. Yung parang, uy, ang payat nito.
Ayan na, ang ganda na ng arms dito.
Tapos ikaw sobrang papayat ka, ganda ng arms mo.
Pero walang nangyayari, no?
In 5 minutes, may mas magandang arms ka na naman nakita. Ay,
exactly.
pocha.
Yeah.
Na-invalidate yung
Lahat.
ganda ng arms mo or
Yung lahat ng
whatever.
hirap mo.
Kasi in a span of, let's say, an hour, naghanap ka na ng bagong, I don't know if you call it a peg or a bagong standard
Yup.
na that took out the joy of what you just had. Or you, let's say, you bought a new car. Diba?
Yeah,
Bumili ka ng
mawala din.
bumili ka ng siguro Vios, diba? Tapos,
Nakakita ka ng
pagka-uwi
mas
mo,
maganda.
shit, yung kapitbahay mo rin, kakabili na ng Land Cruiser. Diba? So ikaw parang, ganun feeling ko lang pag nakita ko si Chacha eh.
Yeah.
Dalawang Yaris
nakita
ko.
ko yung
Dalawang
Land
Yaris
Cruiser
ko.
dito.
Biglang,
Oo. Sabi ko,
biglang,
wow.
oh my God. Kakapar ko lang.
ganda.
Ako,
Sana
bago
to.
Yaris ko. Ako, hybrid. I love this shit, you know.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna spend on gas too much anymore.
Pagkakita
Eto si
ko ng
Chacha.
Prado.
Tapos gasolina, wala
Alam mo,
sa pakialam.
yung sabi niya, what's
manifest ko
gas?
yan, Doc Max. Yung mga sinasabi ni Sam, kanina lang pinag-uusapan namin ni Doc Max. Sabi ko, wag mo ako ikumpara kay Sam, ha? Yung mga isang hosting noon.
Okay.
Kung magkano.
I know we're running it a bit long. We are gonna have another episode with Doc Max, but
Okay.
can we run by the maybe
ADHD?
3 symptoms before we wrap it up?
Or we go to that on our next episode para abangan nila.
Oh, pwede rin.
Anong gusto
Sige.
niyo?
O sige, magbabagsak na lang ako ng isang criteria.
Okay.
Oh, sige. Hindi, actually, let's wrap up this episode para yung next episode natin. Doon tayo sa next topic.
Paano mo malalaman kung may ADHD ang isang tao? Sa pagbabalik ng next episode, lahat yan bibigay ni Doc Max.
Bye!
Ayaw nga pala. Thank you for listening to the podcast. Hope you picked up something. Hope it's gonna be applicable to your life.
Next episode pa.
Lahat tayo stress ngayon, tsaka overstimulated. So medyo kalma-kalma tayo. My name is Sam YG.
This is Chacha.
Thank you for listening. Be safe, be good.